Hello, everybody. Tomorrow is a Christmas Day. So, another few days to finish the uh, 2022, and we will welcoming you to another great year. Today, I'm going to talk about the completion of the leadership skills. So, let's make another video. Today, I'm going to talk about the technical skills, technical side of the leadership skills, under the leadership skills. So, actually, when we talk about the leadership skills, my first video I already released to you, and under this video, I'm going to talk about something about the technical skills. When it comes to the technical skills in the leadership, there are some very important things we have to understand. Number one is the digital marketing and also data science, also UX designing and AWS, and all those things are very important, highly important in these days, right? Let's talk about one by one. Uh, when it comes to the technical skills, definitely, if you are an engineer or a system admin, you must have to have a system admin skills and configurations, whether it's Cisco, 3Com, or routers. When it comes to the cloud network, hybrid cloud, private cloud, uh, when it comes to the platform as a service, software as a service, whatever it is, right? Infrastructure as a service. So mixing with the Windows, Azure, and Microsoft Windows, Azure, as well as Linux platforms. And there are so many platforms, by the way. I'm not going to talk about the platforms, cloud platforms now. uh, when it comes to the backend on the cloud, we can talk about the Oracle Cloud, AWS Cloud, IBM Cloud, and DevOps. Also, we can talk about when it comes to front end and back end both. And these are the examples. But if you are a good leader, if you want to become a good leader, because these things actually leadership, it won't collaborate with the money only, right? Why I'm telling you like this? Because leadership skills, these technical skills, whether it's a small organization or a corporate companies, uh, even the department stores, or maybe it's a enterprise, a big enterprise network, like Amazon, Microsoft, or when it comes to the Huawei, like the telecom industry, when it comes to online banking, when it comes to the crypto mining, whatever it is, right? So these leadership skills, combination with the technical skills, those are highly important. It makes a big role in today's industry, right? Today in the business world. So system admin and the configuration these days, when it comes to the cloud networks, uh, what I feel actually, I'm not into very much deep into the cloud. I'm not going to talk about deeply discussion about the cloud networks in this video. But when it comes to the AWS, because I want a combination, and uh, I want to just kind of give you the brief idea about the system admin and the configuration. Regardless of any platform, these technical skills are highly important. It makes a big role in the industry these days, right? As I said it before earlier. But now the situation and the things got changed after coronavirus pandemic. Nowadays, everything is automated, right? Everything in robotic, artificial intelligence, everything. When it comes to the data science also, so many things are artificial intelligence. So we don't have to worry about much more system administration and the configuration. You must have to have the skills. I'm not saying if you are a DevOps engineer, if you made the certification about the DevNet, Cisco DevNet, or Juniper, or whatever it is, right? But you must have to have some kind of a knowledge to develop your skills under the technical skills of system administration and the configuration. And another one important thing is the data collection and data analytics, right? Data analytics, data analyzing. When we talk about the data analyzing earlier 20 to 30 years back, uh, when it comes to the standalone computers, peer-to-peer network, and the client-server architecture, I'm talking about Windows NT4, Unix servers, and Linux servers, and mainframe OS 400, and about the DOS era, and RS Z990, IBM servers, and the supercomputers in those days. It plays a big role, right? Data analyzing skills you must have to have if you are a database administrator, or if you are a system administrator, right? Even though you are a network administrator, you must have to have those skills: problem solving, data retrieving, uh, backup and recovery, those things. I'm talking about IT side. But data collection and the data analyzing, data analytics, and by Python, or by DevOps on those stuffs, and data collection and retrieving, whatever the website, maybe SAP, maybe SQL Server, or whatever it is. These skills you must have to have at least some skills, right? And tool evaluation and the recommendation. These tools, they are, software, when it comes to the project management, or when it comes to the business analytics, when it comes to the crypto, when it comes to stock market, e-commerce, and cloud networks, there are some tools, evaluation tools we use, right? I'm not going to deep discussion about these matters, these things. And technical support, 24 hours, 24/7, and 365 days, or online. You should be online, somebody should be there, because we don't know, we cannot make a prediction about the customers customer requirements and the customer complaints. 24 hours you should be alert. So you must have to have at least 2 3 engineers, data engineers, and network engineers, and cloud engineers, DevOps engineers, blah blah blah. You must have to have technical support team, and a strong, who's having a strong technical skills, and also uh, dynamic, can understand, quickly understood about the situation. You must have to have a technical support team, right? And technical support skills you must have to have to become a great leader, and improve your uh, leadership skills. And other thing is member database management. Okay, let me give you some clues, right? When it comes to SAP, or Oracle, or AWS, when it comes to whatever the networks, right? Whatever the cloud networks, regardless of the cloud networks, you must have to have a member database management, and the management, some skills of that, and the platform architecture and integration. You must have to have a platform architecture, about the architecture of that particular platform, where they, again, I have to say you the same thing which I have completion of earlier topic. Platform architecture, uh, and right now, these days, I mean, nowadays everything is in cloud, right? That nothing is regardless of cloud. I mean, nothing is beside of the cloud. We are not talking about anything beside of the cloud. Everything we are talking about the cloud. And with the cloud solely, everything is going on, because with the cloud. And when it comes to the platform architecture, and when it comes to the infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, whatever it is, right? PaaS, SaaS, and as whatever it is, platform architecture and integration skills you must have to have. What are the integration skills? Like how to write the algorithms and create the algorithms, and also programming skills, those kind of things, right? And technology issue resolutions. Technology issue resolutions, when it comes to the technical part, as I said you earlier, technology issue resolutions is playing a high role in the technical skills. Under the development of the technical skills, you must have to have performance skills as well. And not only the basic understanding, you must have to have a solid understanding and solid experience, right? And also software and application programming, UV and UX designing, application programming in a sense, backend development, app development, maybe Java, maybe Python, maybe WordPress, whatever the programming language, solid experience, C++, those things. You must have to have proper knowledge, right? I mean, the solid knowledge as well as solving, because it uh, related to leadership skills development, as well as it is strongly recommended that if you are a solution provider, if you are a business solution support engineer, if you are a business support engineer, solution support engineer, you must have to have a strong customer understanding background. What is customer requirements? Understanding of the customer requirements. Understanding only is not enough. Also, you must have to have a proper experience, pre-experience, and the empathy. Quickly clicking in on into it and switching into the proper solution. Various customers, let's say you have ABCD, four customers, right? Those four customers has four different backgrounds and four different requirements, right? Therefore, you must have to have a proper knowledge about the customer requirement and the great maneuverability to understanding and give them a proper solution. Otherwise, you will be uh, damaged, and you will definitely break out the supply chain and the customer relation experience with the company, with the organization that you are working. As a result of that, you will kick out from your job, right? So it's another story. I mean, it's another kind of a story that you leave from the job. But what about the organization? After something happens to the organization, if uh, if he or she is a multi-million customer to you, so it will make a great damage, and it will make a great impact to the company's future as well, right? So you must have to have a technological issue resolution and software programming, application programming, great knowledge, and UX designing, you must have to have a UX and designing experience, and the skills, how to build the skills. You can have a lot of uh, pre-generated videos. A lot of videos you can watch a lot of videos from the YouTube, and there are Udemy is a website. It's a great site. And the algorithm design and the uh, data manipulation, data retrieving, data manipulation, algorithm understanding of the structure of the algorithms, and programming experience. You can say it's a kind of a programming experience. You must have to have a solid programming knowledge. Say you have Java, Python, those kind of programming language. You must have to have a proper understanding and proper experience to developing. App development is another thing, and this is it's a data mining when it comes to the data uh, in a large organization, let's say it's when you talk about when you consider a multinational company, enterprise Fortune 500 companies like that. Suppose it is in located a lot of companies based on China these days, and they also use their own technology, as well as they copied from the US technology, and they develop their own technology. They convert it into their own technology, and they develop it. So this is what I was planning to explain you. When it comes to the technical skills, you have to build your these are the aspects. These are the key points that you have to develop your leadership skills. under this kind of these points, right? Uh, these facts. So tomorrow is the Christmas. Have a great day and wish you a happy new year. I wish to bring you another video in the future, hopefully. And Buddha bless you, everybody. And I'm not celebrating Christmas because I'm not Christian. I'm not Catholic. By the way, wish you all the best to everybody, all over the world, my viewers. And thank you for watching. Thank you for being with us in this year. We hope that you will have a great life and a prosperous and happiness and the healthy and the peaceful new year into my country, Sri Lankans, as well as to other people all around the world. Goodbye to you and God bless you. And also to my Christian viewers, happy Merry Christmas, and also Buddha bless my all the viewers in Sri Lanka and rest of the world. Take care. Bye bye. See you in another great video.